To add the role to your server, we will use the Server Manager. Go under the Manage menu and click on Added Roles and Features. The Added Roles and Features wizard is displayed. The first page just displays some helpful information on how to use the wizard. Read them and click the Next button. In the next page, select the installation type. By default, a role-based or feature-based installation type is selected. And this is what we need. So click Next. On the next page, we will select the server on which we want to add the roles and features. If the Server Manager is aware of other servers on your network and has been configured to manage them, it will show them on the server pool list, so that you can remotely install role or features. Click Next to continue. Now select the role you want to attribute to your server from the available role listed. For example, I will select the DHCP role. A pop-up window is displayed asking me if I want to install additional tools so that I can manage the DHCP features from this server. I will just accept and add these tools. Next, you can add the feature to your server if needed. Otherwise, you skip this step by clicking the Next button. The following page describes the roles you have installed and give you some advice and actions to perform so that the role you have installed will work as expected. Click Next to go to the final step and run the setup. Some roles and features require the server to restart. So if I click on the Restart the destination server automatically if required, the server will automatically restart after the installation complete without any warning. So be careful with this option when you add roles and features on a production server. This can lead to a service interruption and causes some problems to your users. Finally, click the Install button and wait till the setup process completes. The role I have added will be available under the Tools menu.